Come on along. Kyle, what are you doing?
Torquing.
Is that a torque wrench?
Yes.
That's a diff build. Look at this walk. It's all fitted, man. Except for this gap here. Think I can weld that? Ah. It's even cracked out here. Wow. Hey, Troy? It was even cracked way out there. Cracked way up here. I put a bead on the inside, on both sides. I'm gonna weld now. Is that alright with you boys?
Negative.
I got her within a fuzz. I got her within a fuzz to being right. See how I did that? You saw how I did that, right?
I see it.
That's a double plate, so I cut one plate away so I could weld this properly first. Your head is in the way. You know that. If I go like that, it's going to hit that clamp.
That's the only way I'm doing it. Only reason.
I got it exactly a 16th from that grease fitting here, which is the center of the pin. Hopefully it's wore out enough that I got it. It's nuts on. When I shifted that over, it did just like I suspected. It cocked it over. And I wonder if I got this on telephoto. Oh, I got it wide angle. Used to my phone, I got to stand back more. Now you're in the whole scale of the picture. So I'm going to just proceed to weld, and then, did he get that H? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we got everything to put her back together so she can go down the road tomorrow. Oh, son of a bitch, no, you got to put that back. That's not going to be level anymore. You got to get that.
Fine.
I knew that was going to happen to you.
Why didn't you crank it down?
It's on there gingerly.
You don't want it gingerly tight.
Get it to where, is it tight on this one?
Basically.
See, it moved yet.
This is moving.
Slipping? That'll happen.
There, now it is.
Alright, now I get my tape measure out again. That's alright.
You're just too weak to clamp that down.
Yeah, you're right. Come over here and inspect that. Make sure that ain't cracked. I can't see it. Otherwise I'll have to grind some more. You got your light with you? See the oil? No, I see oil there. Or is that just... Oh, it's just dust. Okay, never mind.
I think it's cracked.
Don't forget to put the bushings in either.
I know. I think it's cracked.
Well, in the end it would be. Because that piece is all missing. This piece was disappeared, gone.
Yeah.
So that's where the joint would have been torqued off there. I gotta get to work instead of talking. Is that alright with you? She's gonna blow up. Okay, bye. You got that all done? Look at it. It's like is that like an engine? You got her covered up. You don't want her to get full of debris? Pure debris?
It is an engine, isn't it?
It's an engine of sorts, yeah. Where's that guy? He's elbows deep. Troy, what are you doing in there? Go start the engine quick. Scared the shit out of it. Nah. Alright, I gotta come over here. It's all done. Look at. I couldn't video because I was welding and nobody wanted a video. Right, boy? Right. She's all back on there.
You got it.
Troy, how deep were you? Were you in nuts and all? Excuse me. I gotta get some fresh air. It really is tired. Hey, say it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Do that. I'll send it to Mr. Haley and you can.
Who's Mr. Haley?
David Haley.
Who's that?
He's a YouTuber out in Minnesota. He's a logger.
Okay.
He does it at the end. He puts people. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Well, I don't want to do it. You gotta do it.
Turn the camera around and do it.
Oh, you're terrible. All right, I will. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Right?
Yeah.
Say it, Troy. Say it, Kyle. Everybody turns tail. Okay. The normal me is, see you, bye. Did it line up good? She went right together? Oh yeah, you even greased her, huh?
Greased her and Chanel.
Greased her and Chanel, yeah. What are you putting in there? Let me see.
OPS.
Oil pressure sensor.
Something like that.
Is it cool? I bet you that we could find that in automotive for like $20 and they get 100 and what? 170, Josh said?
Yeah, something like that.
That's crazy. Well, good. Gotta tell Lee to, yeah. She gonna work? I gotta have fun. We're waiting for, did I show you this? You're gonna save that for my art pile?
No.
Okay. That's pretty bad, huh?